So I have two people in my life within the next few weeks turning 40, my husband and my best friend. They are so close in age, and 40 is a big deal of a birthday. By the way, I still have years to go before I get to 40, but I want to make each of them fun little gifts to really celebrate them, to celebrate this milestone birthday, and to show them both that I love them. So my husband's is going to be a little smaller because he's getting a bigger gift. And then my best friend's is going to be smaller gifts and leading up to her birthday. So I'm going to take you along as I pick out a few different gifts. I'm not going to show you everything. Some of the stuff is going to be homemade or maybe coupons or a note. But I thought it'd be fun to take you along and look for small little gifts with me. Let's go. First, we're going to Target. Of course, we're heading in here. These are super cute. $4. My hubby loves kind of gory things. Okay, these are currently buy one, get one 50% off. When you see the video, they probably won't be, but Halloween candy goes on sale all the time. My friend and my husband like Reese's, so I'm gonna get them these, one for each. So it's one at $4.79, one half off. I'm gonna get this Vaseline creme brulee for lips. We're heading into winter, dry season. Portable, cute, effective, $2.99. Gentry has thicker hair, so I wanted to find a bigger clip, but I like these. These two right here, they are $3.89, I think. Okay, so now we are set here. We're gonna check out. This is gonna be a multi-part shopping series, so just when I'm out, if I see something, if I'm grabbing something, I'm gonna put it together. So there won't be any grand totals, but we'll just be shopping together. Okay, so there was sugar-free maple pumpkin or pumpkin latte. They're both $4.99. I'm not sure which one, but I'm tempted by both. Okay, I'm going maple pumpkin. $4.99. Now, some friends might be horrified to get this as a gift, but she won't be. Do I want the salted caramel? $5.99. Or do I want Parisian Poo? They also have black pepper and leather. Interesting. Bourbon vanilla. We're gonna go with a Parisian Poo. Okay, so I came over here for a planner, but this is 365 Bible verses with space to journal. It's only $3.99. She will love it. So here's a little random scripture for you guys. So now, faith, hope, and love abide, these three, but the greatest of these is love. Yay. This will be a great one. Her and I are both journal junkies, so I'm just going to find her a plain old journal too. Oh, I love that. She's clothed in strength and dignity. This is only $4.99, and it's just a journal, so yay. We'll get that too. I also love these pens. $5.99, super cute. I decided those two were too similar since I'm doing a countdown to her birthday and only a certain amount of gifts. I don't want two of them to be just alike, so I'm gonna get this one, and then she can use it however she wants. Okay, I'm getting this for Elsie, who I'm not even shopping for, but it's her birthday soon too, and I know she'll like that. She's actually wanted one of these. It's $5.99. And this is cute for an October birthday. $3.99. This will be a good gift too. Okay, you guys have seen us shop at Horrocks before, and we love this place, but I only have a few minutes. I'm in this town today, so I'm gonna run in and get a few things, and that's it. Matt seemed to really think this looked interesting when Elsie was looking at this, one of our last hauls. She didn't end up getting it, but he seemed really interested in it, so I'm gonna put this in his birthday basket. $6.49, but still worth it. Okay, so this one I hesitate to tell you because I'm not promoting people gamble if you can't afford it, but my husband and my friend both enjoy scratchy tickets on occasion, and birthdays are fun occasions. So we're getting a few scratchy tickets at a gas station. Now, of course, this is only a suggestion if you are responsible and can afford to do it. Okay, Kel and I are at Meijer, and he saw these energy drinks on clearance for $7.69. He was drawn to the cartoon, but did he want to put these in Dad's birthday basket?
Yes.
Matt does like energy drinks, and those are kind of funny looking. Okay, another thing, Kel and I found clearance toys, and we're gonna get this mini pocket howler for him and Dad to play with, right?
Yeah.
It'll be fun for him to get a little toy in his basket.
Yeah, we have a bigger one, so.
Yeah. One of my favorite spots to shop when you don't know what you're looking for but you want something cute is World Market, and they just texted me a 25% off coupon, so I have a feeling I will finish my shopping here. I really think Gentry would like this. I don't know that it's worth $12.99 though. It's a fun idea. She might be mad at me once her kids get a hold of it. Okay, I know I'm not here for Elsie, but she had a pack of cards that she played with that got ruined by our dog. So I'm gonna get her a new pack for her birthday. Wiener dogs, there's lots of different designs. I'll get 25% off. They're a little expensive, but her birthday's coming up and I know she'll really like these. Okay, I think this is really funny. Again, I'd get 25% off, but it's more of a gag gift. And I wanted to get her a gag gift, so I think this will be a fun one to get. She does have 3 kids. They don't have a pet, so I'll tell her I got her a pet for her birthday. And this will be something funny. Okay, I was really hoping to get her one of these, a needle ball. I keep one of these by my computer. It's a great stress relief, and they're $4.99, but again, I'll get 25% off. I want purple, but I don't want a ripped box, so I guess I'll get her pink. But these are a toy, but they are such a great stress ball, and I keep it, like I said, by my desk while I'm working, and she's a homeschool mom. I think a stress ball could be nice. These are honorable mention because they're so funny, but I'm not gonna get them. The drink markers. These are so funny. Bottle openers. They have different colors and designs. I'm gonna get one for my husband's birthday basket. I really like that guy right there. I just have to get back and get him. I'll keep that out at our pool shed bar. I just think it's so funny. I'm gonna get my husband these salami whips picante. They're $6, and I can't use my coupon on this because it does exclude food. I also think she would find this funny, and this will be my last purchase. $4.99, a monster pooper. I'm gonna get this birthday bar. I saw it checkout. I thought I was done, but the dark chocolate brownie fudge I think she'll like, and it says happy birthday. How cute. Okay, so I finished my shopping, even got a little Elsie shopping in here, which isn't part of this video, but I'm gonna go home and make the baskets. I've already made mats, gotta add a few things to it, and then we'll make gentries together. Okay, so here's how it turned out. My daughter set this up and my husband didn't see it until we walked in. It was a really nice surprise. Obviously a lot of this grocery stuff I just buy for him anyways if he wanted it, but having some things that he loves, it was a really nice surprise for him. And now we will move on to making gentries. Okay, so I have gathered scraps, leftover bags. I didn't buy any of this, just leftover birthday wrapping paper from basically my kids. And I've gathered all of the goodies I'm giving Gentry. Her birthday's on the 19th, so I am going to wrap these one each day and give them to her. So we're gonna get started with that. Now the way this is gonna work is each day is labeled 1 through 19 and she's gonna open something. So like one day she's gonna get Element, one of my favorite electrolytes that I got her addicted to, or maybe the squishy ball. So it's just gonna be one a day up until her 40th birthday. Well, for me personally, this is much more than I've ever done or do for a friend for any holiday or birthday. But Gentry is very generous, and I thought it would be a lot of fun to go shopping for this, to share it with you guys. It just felt like a fun video to make, so I wanted to take you along and share it with you. But we're gonna get wrapping. Or if you're wondering what that sound is, my dog is snoring right behind us. How cute is this wrapping paper? It's literally my favorite wrapping paper I've ever gotten, but I just had a scrap of it left, so. Day 1, a $1 scratchy ticket. Very simple. 1 done. 18 to go. Okay, so now everything's wrapped. I'm gonna put it in a gift bag. And you can see day 1, she'll open 1. 2 is actually the day we're meeting, and I'm gonna take her to breakfast, so that's her gift. Then 3, 4, 5, all the way up to the last one, number 19. I'm pretty pleased. That fits perfectly. It was so much fun to make this. I can't wait to give it to her. And if you want to see another non-Aldi grocery haul, something else fun that I've done, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.